Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting your data. Make a time machine or external backup and confirm it completed. Once done, disconnect network and external drives to isolate the Mac. Reboot into safe mode by holding Shift. This disables many third-party agents so you can inspect running processes safely. Open Activity Monitor and spot CPU or network hogs with unfamiliar names. Make note of suspicious items. Do not force quit system processes. These steps reduce risk and prepare you for targeted removal. You now perform the active removal. Run a full scan with a reputable Mac OS scanner while still in safe mode and let it quarantine flagged files. Next, inspect launch agents and launch daemons folders for unfamiliar. List entries and move them to trash. Make sure you know the file origin before deleting. Open applications and delete unrecognized apps, then reset browser extensions and clear caches. Once you've deleted items, empty trash and reboot normally. This helps confirm the system boots clean without the malicious components. You finish by restoring trust. Change all account passwords and enable File Vault disk encryption and the Mac OS firewall, and turn on automatic security updates. If signs of infection remain, reinstall Mac OS from recovery or restore only from a verified clean backup. Do not restore user apps blindly. Monitor console logs and network activity for recurrence. Troubleshooting tip: if removal fails, create a bootable installer and perform a clean install. If uncertain, contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.